Today I'll be making honey lemon ginger remedy, if you would call it. And I already sliced the ginger with the food processor, and I'll do the same with the lemons, and I have the honey ready. Stay tuned. So I already put some honey into the mason jar, and I'm gonna add the sliced lemons. I did it with a food processor because it's a lot of lemons. And then I'm gonna add some sliced ginger into the jar. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon at the bottom of it, so I can mix it all together. And so on, I'll continue with the honey. And then I'll add another layer of lemon. You have to get your hands a little bit dirty, or not, or a little bit sweet, not dirty. And this is the best remedy you could have for wintertime. You can make it as a tea with warm water. 1 tablespoon of this. And voila, that's your instant medication, let's say. Stay tuned. The honey lemon ginger remedy is ready into the mason jars, and it has to stay here at least 2 months for you to start using it if you want it, you know, to work. And this you can save for a year or so. I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!